In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a vendor in QuickBooks. It's a straightforward process and should take you around 5 minutes to complete. We'll go through each step methodically to ensure you can confidently manage your vendor list. So let's get started right now. First, you'll need to access QuickBooks online. Head over to the website and if you're not already logged in, locate the sign in button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click that, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your email and your password. It's important to ensure the details you enter are correct to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, click on the sign in button to enter your QuickBooks account. After signing in, navigate to the expenses section. This section is where you'll have access to all the financial transactions, including those related to your vendors and suppliers. Within expenses, look for the suppliers option. You'll find it as a subsection which specifically manages your vendor list. Now once you're in the suppliers section, you'll see a list of all the vendors associated with your account. Locate the vendor you want to delete. Beside each vendor, there's a drop-down menu on the right. Click on this drop-down to explore a set of options regarding vendor management. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Make Inactive. Clicking this option essentially allows you to remove the vendor from the active list without losing their historical transaction records. This action is useful for maintaining a clean and organized vendor list while retaining essential historical data that may be useful for future reference. After clicking Make Inactive, a confirmation window will appear, asking you to confirm your decision. Here, click on Yes, Make Inactive. This step finalizes the action and the selected vendor will now be removed from your active vendor list. And that's it. You've successfully managed to delete a vendor from QuickBooks. Remember, if you ever need to reactivate a vendor or check any associated history, QuickBooks allows you to do so by accessing the inactive vendor records. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to efficiently manage your QuickBooks vendor list. Keeping your vendor list tidy not only helps in maintaining clarity, but also aids in streamlining your accounting processes. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Have a great day.